Math Chapter 5, Lesson 3, Multiplying Decimals. Words to know. Product is the answer to a multiplication problem. Rules to know. When you multiply decimals, line up the numbers, not the decimals. Example. 3.09 times 1.2. Notice how my decimals are not lined up, just my numbers. I'm going to multiply. 2 times 9 is 18. I carry my 1. 2 times 0 is 0 plus 1 is 1. 2 times 3 is 6. Automatic 0, 1 times 9, 9, 1 times 0, 0, 1 times 3, 3. I'm going to add up my two products. 8 plus 0, 0. 1 plus 9, 10. And then I carry my 1, sorry. 1 plus 6 is 7. 3 plus 0 is 3. We're not done yet. You need to add up the number of places behind the decimal in each problem. There are 2 in the first number. There is 1 in the second number. Because 3.09, there's 0 and 9. 1.2 is just the 2. Now you add 2 plus 1, which is 3. Start from the right side of your answer and count 3 spaces to the left. Insert your decimal there. So we're going to start at the 8, after the 8, because that is the farthest right in our answer. And then we move 3 spaces to the left to 3.708. Now let's practice. 0.16 times 3.1. 1 times 6 is 6. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 0 is 0. Automatic 0. 3 times 6 is 18. Carry my 1. 3 times 1 is 3 plus 1 is 4. 3 times 0, 0. Add those together. 6 plus 0, 6. 1 plus 8, 9. 0 plus 4, 4. 0 plus nothing, 0. How many numbers are behind the decimal in each problem? There's 2 and 1. 2 plus 1 is 3 because the 1 and the 6 are behind the decimal point in the 1. So we move from the right 3 spaces to the left. So we're going to start after the 6. And we're going to move 3 spaces. Now our final answer is 0.496. Practice on your own. 14.56 times 0.789. This is a point where you should pause the video and practice this problem on your own. Let's write them out together. 4.37 times 8.04. So I need to rewrite it lining up my numbers, not my decimals. I add my decimals at the end of that. And then I multiply. 4 times 7, 28, carry the 2. 4 times 3 is 12 plus 2, 14. 4 times 4 is 16 plus 1, 17. 2, an automatic 0, but all those are zeros. 2 automatic zeros, and then I'm multiplying 8 times the numbers. Then I'm going to add all those together. I'm going to get 8, 4, 3, 1, 5, 3. Now I need to look at my numbers behind the decimals. 2.2 plus 2 is 4. So I start from my 8 and move 4 over. And I get 35.1348. That's my final answer for that. Let's do another one. 1.7 times 2.01. I need to write that lining up my numbers. I added a 0 behind the 7 just for my own help. Now you go through and you do the actual multiplication, which here you can see I'm doing it pretty quickly. And then I add my answers up again at the end. Count my numbers behind the decimals. Because I added that 0, I'm going to add that in. 3.4170. Now, if you did not add a 0 as a placeholder, your answer would just be 3.417. There would be no 0 at the end. This is how you multiply decimals. Remember, it's just regular multiplication. You just have to figure out where to put your decimal. And you do that by adding the numbers behind the decimal in each of the numbers in the problem, and then that's where you start from the right and you move your way to the left. Remember, when you're multiplying decimals, don't line up the decimals, line up the numbers. Count the places behind the decimal, add them up, and that's how many places from the right the decimal is in your final answer. Good luck!